Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can insert any audio in your PowerPoint presentation. To insert any PowerPoint presentation, let's follow the given steps. First, let's open our PowerPoint, and now I have a presentation ready. Now, you need to navigate to that particular slide in which you want to add your audio. For example, I want to add the audio in this particular slide. So, to insert any object or elements into your slide, we will be clicking on the Insert tab in the ribbon. Now, in the Insert tab, we need to click on the Audio button. It helps us insert audio into our slide. Now, here are two options. The first option specifies that you can insert any audio which is present in your system. The other option is to record audio in real time if you want any audio to be recorded and inserted directly to your slide. So let's insert any audio which is stored in my computer. Then you need to navigate it in the file manager, and once you find it, simply click that particular audio, or you may also select multiple audios at once. Then once you've selected the audio, simply click on the Insert button. Now here you can see that the particular audio has been inserted. You can move it to any position you like, and you can test it out by clicking on the play button or hit the Alt and P key combinations. So let's test it. And here you can see and hear that the audio is playing quite well. So now you have learned how to add an audio into your PowerPoint presentation. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.